What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider and Happy New Year. I know it's been a very long time that I haven't made any vlog since I moved to Texas. So today is the first New Year's, new beginning. So let's go for a ride and give you guys an update what is going on. And many of you guys know that I moved to Texas and I am building a home right here, still under construction. As you guys can see, this community is building here. Let's go for a drive and then give you guys an update and wish you guys a happy new year. It is Sunday, of course, and nothing happening, no construction going on today. But as you guys can see, a lot of builds are going around here. Maybe a year from now it's gonna be pretty full. But anyways, I just wanted to say I am back, guys, and thank you guys for your support. And some of you guys are wondering what happened, where am I? Hope you guys are doing fine. It's been a very long time, so give me some time to adjust to vlogging and writing. I haven't been writing much as well. So this whole community here, it's building and the roads and everything is getting rebuilt. So the the roads are pretty bad right now. So they're making it really big and wide, as you guys can see. And I do not have radiator guards on this thing. I know I said guards because the oil cooler and the radiator both are not guarded, so I have to take it easy and hopefully I don't put a stone through the radiator. Make a quick video to just give you guys an update, then I'm coming back. And beginning of the year, first day of 2023, and as you guys can see the road right here, so it's going to be like this. So it's pretty nice and big, right? Oh man, I miss those. Miss the bikes. And you know, it's winter of course, but we're in Texas, and this is what I love about Texas, and that's one of the reason I moved to Texas is the weather. Yes, it do get cold. We had in low 20s last week, but we are back to 70s like now. Yesterday, today we're in 70s, like, so it's pretty good. I'm enjoying, and it's a very nice weather to ride. So I'll go up. Let's hear the sound. Wow, nice crackles and burbles. You don't get much corners in Texas. Depending on where you live, it's more like a flat land and a lot of warehouse industrial area depending where you live. But let me just stop here, show you guys the bike. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2022 S1000R, not the double R. So as you guys can see, I have quite a few modifications done on this bike. It is the M package, so optioned in quite a lot of stuff except for the carbon fiber wheels. I do have the Acra, and oh, actually I also didn't get the M rear sets and all that, but that's pretty expensive and I don't really need that. Other than that, I have pretty much everything else on that. Of course, it's tuned BD Moto stage 1 tune with the full I think aero headers, not the titanium, but it is coloring like a titanium right there. You can see it's nice and blue. Well, I was mentioning earlier, no radiator guards or well cooler guards, so hopefully I don't put a stone through it. Texas T-Pass put it here. So I mean, that's the easy best place I can find to put, and I do not want those big plastic tag to mount anywhere, so that works. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. So as you guys know, the 2023 M1000R launched, and that bike is a beast. So I'm not going there, I'm not gonna get one. I'm happy with what I have, so I'll just stay with my S1000R. It is not a slouch as well. So all right, let's go for a ride, and let's get on the highway. Let's do a quick pull and tell you guys what's going on and why I'm not making any videos. How are things going with life? Let me tell you guys. So the bike sounds good, right? Yep, right. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, it's been so long since I made the last video before I moved from Connecticut. So once I moved to Texas, things happening, a lot of changes, building a job and everything, so it was tough. Texas. All right, take it easy. Yep. You get a lot of open roads in Texas, especially those toll roads. You don't have much traffic, but today is a New Year's Day anyway. I have to be very careful because, you know, people are probably not driving sober, so I gotta take it easy. You see this guy, he's going faster than me. Definitely speeding. Alright, that's enough about pulling on the empty highway. So what I was saying, guys, I have been really busy with life, and 2020 was great. I would say 2020 was one of the best year of my life, especially that I have my boys who were born in January 2022. They're about to be a year old in next couple weeks, so that makes it a best year of my life. Another good thing was moving from Connecticut to Texas. That was the next best thing. So it's been in my bucket list for a while that I want to move out of Connecticut and choose somewhere that I would like to enjoy in all year round riding season, and the community, and there's many other reasons I chose to be in Texas, in the Dallas County. And so far I am really happy that I make the right move. The people here, the community that I choose to be in is like one of the really good community, and I'm enjoying. People are very helpful. So because of that I moved here, and this has been so good so far. And in terms of vlogging and things, I know it's tough because when you move to a new place you have a lot of things happening, and the jobs and all that, settling in. But I'm still with the same company, just working from home. I know you guys probably gonna think like, you're working from home, you have more time to ride, but then I don't have my own home yet, so we are kind of living with a family member until the house is built. So once the house is done, I'm going to be much more active, coming back to my own vlogging. I'll be really active. Yeah, so until then I will have gaps, but I'll try to come out and make a once in a while quick vlog, see how things are going, because I know I got a lot of questions. Many of you guys are concerned, like, is everything okay? If I'm okay, like, you know, where am I? It's been so long. But just to let you guys know, yes, I'm doing great, and it's been a journey, so keeping me busy, the life and everything. So but I'm doing good. New city, new state, a new beginning, everything is brand new. So we got another biker buddy here. Oh, he's getting on the highway, so I'm not going that way. So I just wanted to come out, guys, and give you guys a quick update and wish you guys a very happy new year. I hope the 2023 brings a lot more success and happiness, and I hope you guys as well. Beautiful day. It's just enjoyable to ride. I mean, nice cool breeze, feels great. Ranch Islamic Center. Nice. And if you guys want to leave a comments below and let me know what you guys like to see in the Dallas County area, what kind of vlog should I make. I mean, enough with the bike, but now I want to just travel and explore and see new places, new things. Yeah, so that would be all, guys. Thank you so much for joining in, and hope to see you guys in the next video. I cannot promise when that will come, but it will come. As I said, I'll be much more regular after the house is built, and once I move in and everything, which is going to be another couple months or so. So until then, you might not see me or might get another vlog or two once in a while, depending on what is going on. And I'm trying to find people around here to ride with, groups, so we'll see. Maybe we'll do a group ride. Not a big fan, but maybe I will. Thank you for joining in, and I will see you guys on the next video.